Exaggerate the post. Exaggerate the post. Good. Try to get in more straight. Straighten out, shuffle, and then leg. Consistent hold. Leg, 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 leg. There. Good. Bring him back. Canter. Now leg. A little bit through here. Good. Leg. Now collect and organize. Good. Leg. Straight line. Regular canter. Leg on. Straight line on your right. Good. Trot. Trot. Organize. Good. Relax. These are small. Leg. That's okay. Trot. Keep the connection, but trot forward. Mac's like, no. Leg. Now organize. Good. Relax. Leg. Good. That's okay. Quiet. Now trot. Give him a little bit more leg. A little bit more head up. Leg. Easy. That's okay. Organize. Good. Relax. These are small. Good. Good. Trot, don't fight, but make sure he keeps trotting. Regularly trot. More. More.